Hey guys, today we'll be building a Lego dentistry setup. So it's got like a little mouth rinser and a light and stuff. But we will be building the Lego one as well. As you can see, it's not great, but it still looks okay. But yeah, that's what we're building today. Okay, so for the Lego one, you will need two 1x6 bricks. So they will go together like that. Then you'll need one of these 2x2s with the two studs, and that will go like that at the end of the 2x2 bricks. Then you'll need another one of them, and that goes in the same kind of idea. Then you'll get some 1x1 cheese slopes, and they will go right there, like that. You just get two of them. Then you'll need this hinge. It has 2x2 studs, and then that will go there. Then you'll need a 2x2 plate, and that goes on top of those studs. So that is the table that Lego designed. Okay, so for this you'll need a 6x6 plate. You'll also need two of these 2x2 jumper plates. They will go there, and then another one will go next to that in the middle. Then you'll need a 2x2 round plate, and that will go tile, sorry, and that will go there like that. Then you'll need a 1x2 brick, and it can be any kind. I'm just using a the modified one that goes there. Then you use a 2x2 plate that will go on top of that 1x2 plate brick like that. Then you'll grab a 1x2 plate that will go at the back. Then you'll grab a 1x2 with a bar on it, and that will face outwards. Then you'll grab a 1x2 jumper plate, and that will go on there. Then you grab one of these, it's like a 1x2 brick just without the middle in it, and that will go in there like that. Then to make the set, you'll need the one of these parts, which is like a weird part, and then you need like that portafilter I used in the coffee machine video, and that will then clip into that jumper plate like that. So that is the facet. So to make the chair, you'll need a 2x2 round plate. On the bottom of that, you'll need a 1x1, and that will clip in that middle like that. Then you'll grab two of these the bars with the 1x2 plate on it like that, and then put them either side. Then you'll need some of these, one of them, and then I'm using these 1x1 arched bricks, plates, whatever they are, and they will go on there and then make the footrest, and that clips on the bottom like that. Then you grab another one of them, and this is a slope that will clip on there, and that clips onto this chair like that. Then you'll grab this is a 1x2 like that. So that is the chair. Then that will clip onto the base of this, like this way, like that. So that is the base. Now we'll do the light and the tool rack. So for the base of the light rack, you need this clip that will allow a bar to slide in. Now you get a 4L bar, and that will go into that like that. Then you grab these clips, like a pair of tong things, and then they go on there. Now this is from Star Wars set, Flick Missile, and that thing clips onto that pair of tong thing. Then you grab this clip, it's got a stud on there, and then that will go like that. Then you grab a frying pan, and that will go on that. So then you just grab your dentist chair thing, and then it will clip on there like that. And there you have your light. So for the tool rack, you'll need 4 of these portafilters that I used in the coffee machine video. Then you grab these lightsaber hilts in black, and they will clip on the end of these like that, and you'll repeat that twice. Okay, so now that you've got your 2 portafilter lightsaber things, you will then clip one on top of the other like that. Then you'll also twist that slightly like that. Then you'll need a 2x2 plate, a 1x1 clip like that, and that will go there. Then you'll also need a black tong that will go in there. Then you need a lever, and that will go in there. Then that 2x2 plate will clip onto that the arm, and then that arm will clip on the underside right there of the facet. So this is the end of this video. I will link the instructions of this in the description below, and yeah, remember, like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Bye.